Hi everybody! Today we're going to look at skimming and scanning, what we could call reading on the run. None of us has a lot of time to read, so sometimes we can use techniques such as skimming and scanning to do the job that we need to do. So today we're going to look at what is skimming and how do we do it, and scanning, what is it and how do we do it. In regular reading, we sit down and we read the whole text. We're reading for the main ideas, we're looking for all the details. We aim for higher comprehension. We want to translate every word, we want to understand every sentence. We read the text slowly, we read it carefully, we read it very, very attentively. And this often takes a long time. Sometimes we can do things to speed up our reading. It depends what we want to do, what our purpose for reading the text is. So today we're going to look at skimming versus scanning. So what is skimming? Skimming is a technique that we can use to get the general idea or the gist of a text. It's fast reading of the text. We look for main ideas, but we don't focus on the details. Our comprehension of the text is lower. We're not aware, we don't pay attention to all of the different details. When we scan, we use scanning when we want to locate specific information in a text or a single fact. We go through the text, we look at it, we don't read every word. We're looking for specific information, and when we read, we need to be very accurate because we're looking for the answer to a specific question. So when we skim, there are different things that we can do. The first thing we can do is look at extra textual information. That's all the pictures and graphs and different things that jump out and catch your eyes. Look for the title. Look at the first and last paragraphs. Look at the subtitles, headings, captions, boxes. All these give you different kinds of information regarding the organization of the text. Look at the publishing details about its authority. Again, remember, you're reading quickly. You want to get the general idea. You want to see how the information is organized in the text. Ignore the details. When we scan, the first thing we need to do is decide what specific information we need. Sometimes it can be a year, a statistic, percentages, names. And that's when we take our eyes and we scan quickly, just like a scanner on a computer. It scans, it's looking for something. We let our eyes go over the text. We're looking for different things. We're looking for italics, bold, capital letters, all those things. We're looking for keywords. We're looking for key phrases. The other thing we can do when we're scanning is to highlight first and last sentences of paragraphs. And then we start to pay attention to the transition words that show us the connection between paragraphs. It helps us show where main ideas or evidence or examples might be in the text. It might show us where special terms are and their definitions. They'll show us reference words. Remember, reference words are those words that continue ideas or names or things that have already been mentioned in the text. We mark them, we highlight them. All of these things will help us get a gist or a general understanding of the text. Also, we can go back and read the first and last paragraphs of the text because often key information is there. It gives us the purpose of the article. It'll give us main ideas or thesis. It might give us a summary, conclusions, and recommendations. These are things that we can use to help us understand the text.